So guys, about to start some good old coffee. It's good old Manhattan. Good old breakfast blend. And to top it off with French vanilla. Bada boom. Alright. Already the mojo is ready. I'm ready. It's time to go pop some bass.
Together, I just bring my heart to you, and I find rest. I find strength and sweet forgiveness. I never last too long till I'm right back where I belong. That I'm not sure you keep me away from the place where you've been, but now I remember why you stay away from there. When you fall into the ground, what do you see? Your body's going down with reality. You may try to stand out, but you won't realize your dreams are gone.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Tactical Fishing, man. We're about to get things popping. And there's some great memories behind me here at this place. It's been a lot of fun, a lot of great experiences. And this is where I really grind it out. I caught a lot of fish here. And great to have you guys here with me at my home spot. And so, no further ado, we're about to get popping. We're about to get up on the frog. All my rods are medium light rods. About to get popping with the small frog. Let's get froggy. Also, when you're preparing your frog, you want to kind of bend the hooks out, bend the hooks up, and I trimmed it down a little bit, you know, not too much tail in it. Let's get it going. I mean, as you can see, all right, how I do my frog, I like to start off with real light pops, get the fish's attention to get its attraction. So, real 2 light pops, then I'll speed it up. I do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, kind of pull it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, kind of pull a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, pull a little bit. 2, And I continue that rhythm all the way through, man. Ooh. I got my frog back. I see a lot of fish on the bank. Swirls. This is frog action. Yep. Fish are busting. One more go with the frog. We're gonna switch her up. Ah, we gotta drain the water out. Oops. That's what we need right there. Good cast like this. Oh, God, missed it. If you saw that blow up, it was nice. Ah, that bass took it in. Like on these blow ups, if you just, when you just saw, when the fish grabs it, you gotta let it take a couple seconds down, reel up, and set the hook. That bass just slurped that right down. I'm gonna try to retarget him. See if he's right there. Sometime you can go for a fish twice, but most likely sometimes, the thing I tell myself is one shot. You only got one shot to do this, bro. One shot. So I try to remind myself the one shot rule, because you really only get one shot with a bass, man. You know, there's not always a second chance. But he hit it from the back, man. He took that thing, sucked it up under. I was just saying it. Suck it under. But if this doesn't work, I'll throw like a worm or something and try to get it back. So let's get back out there and pop this fish. I see swirls everywhere. Come on, hit it. We're gonna throw a worm. Try to get this fish, man. The frog has done its duty and its work. I'm gonna put that away and get it going. All right, guys, we're back and we're gonna be throwing my specialty, the KVD Fluke Flappy Tail Clear Plastic. This is done. These type of baits have done damage out here, man. With the 3-aught hook, this has done damage out here. Serious damage. I caught a lot of fish, and so we're gonna hit this little grassy area right over here. Let that sit, see if a fish will pop at it, because sometimes they like to take it on the drop. All right, how I do this is I give it 1, 2 light pops, 1, 2, 3, let it sit, 1, 2, let it sit, 1, 2, 3, let it sit. And I reel it slow. 1, 2, 1. Oh, got a hit. Come on, come on, come on, take it, take it, take it. That's a big fish. Come on. Got him. Yes. That's a nice, he hit that thing on the move. So just work him on in. When they get to the bank, it's go time. First fish on the Fluke. First cast. Little baby. He's gonna be a monster one day. He hit that thing, boy. I think I had him hooked already, because I didn't really, because he drove off with it. First little fish of the day. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at him. Rawr. Get this boy release. Go back, little buddy. All right. He wanted that bait. KVD comes in. First fish. All right. Let's branch out a little bit. First fish. Let's see what it do. It drop down. I get in my tournament mood. Let's get it. Let's see what it do. Make it close to the bank, just kind of pop it a little bit. All right, let's get back out there. Search for some more bass. Out in the corner pocket. Let's see if we get a hit on the initial. It's back-to-back hits. My camera went out. Another small little fish. Woo! Set this buddy free. Go, buddy. Popped it like a champ. Popped it like a champ. And what do we have up next in line? Oh, the lizard. This should be nice. Let's see if these fish are in for some zoom lizard on on a 1/0 hook weighted. Let's see. We can pop it on some top water. Let's see what we can do. I basically just reel it, keep my rod high, and just reel it basically on top of the water, man. The little top water. That's the top water. All right, today, guys. Today was a great day of fishing. Caught 2 fish in record time. I think that was like around 15 minutes. Really good, and like 3 blow-ups on the frog. So that was good, and just chilled and enjoy some cookout. Get ready for the next round of film. And remember, keep it popping.